The Oregon coast isn't just a place you visit, it's a place you return to again and again until the landscape reveals its secrets. In this intensive photography workshop, we slow things down. We don't race from one postcard scene to the next. Instead, we dig deeper, spending focused time at two of the most dramatic locations on the Oregon coast, Bandon Beach and the Samuel H. Boardman Scenic Corridor. Through multiple visits to each location, you'll learn to read the light, watch the tides, and uncover compositions that only reveal themselves over time. Workshop leader Andy Cook brings more than technical instruction. He brings mentorship, providing one-on-one guidance to help you refine your vision and create the best results possible. You'll master techniques for ocean panoramas, learn to bracket exposures for sunset shots, and simplify your post-processing with intentional fieldwork. Mornings begin in civil twilight, when the coastline glows in soft pastels. Midday brings focused Photoshop instruction and personalized image reviews. Evenings, golden light, crashing surf, dramatic skies invite you to create something unforgettable. This is more than a photography trip. It's a deep, immersive experience, offering you a chance to grow as a photographer and connect with others who share the passion. You'll leave with more than great photos. You'll leave with sharper skills, new friends, and a stronger understanding of the creative process. The Oregon coast is calling. Join our next photography workshop here, and let's go see it and expand our vision.